In the question number 34a, it's given in the figure 1 given below, the boundary of the shaded region in the given diagram consists of 4 semicircular arcs, the smallest two being equal. If the diameter of the largest is 14 cm and the smallest is 3.5 cm, calculate the length of the boundary and the area of shaded region. So here the 4 semicircles here, this is the biggest semicircle. It has the diameter 14 centimeter. It's given here. The diameter, the largest one is 14 centimeter. And the smallest two being equal and their diameter is 3.5 centimeter. That means the diameter, this is the diameter of the smallest is 3.5 centimeter. So if this is 3.5, this is 3.5, so this two part makes it 7 centimeter and total is given 14 centimeter. The diameter of the largest semicircle is 14, so the middle one must be 7 centimeter. So there are the 4 semicircles. So and since these two are the equal, so let us take the R1 be the radius of this smallest semicircle. So R1 will be definitely 3.5 by 2 because 3.5 centimeter is the diameter. So R1 is 3.5 by 2. Now if we remove the decimal, so it will become 3.5 by 10 into 2. Now this can be cancelled. 5 2s are 10 and 5 7s are 35. So it will come 7 by 4 centimeter. So this is R1. Now R2 is taken this medium semicircle. So its diameter is 7 centimeter. So that is why its radius will be 7 by 2 centimeter. And capital R is the diameter of the radius of the bigger semicircle. So total diameter of the biggest semicircle is given 14. So its radius will be 7 centimeter. Now we have to find out the length of the boundary. So boundary means this part to this part to this part and then this part. So since the smaller radius is taken as R1, so this circular arc length is pi R1. So this will also be pi R1. And here R2. So this circular arc will take pi R2. And this one, the biggest one, it will take pi R. So length of the boundary will take pi R1 plus pi R2 plus pi R1 plus pi R. Now pi can be taken common. So it's R1 plus R2 plus R1 plus R. Now we'll substitute the values. 22 by 7, R1 is 7 by 4 plus R2 is 7 by 2. R1 is again 7 by 4 plus capital R is 7. Now these fractional terms will take the LCM, so it will 4. So it's 22 by 7. So now it's 7 plus 2 2s are 4. So 7 into 2 14 plus 7 and plus 7 is here also. So if it is added, so we'll get 28 by 4 plus 7. Now this can be cancelled. 4 7s are 28. So 22 by 7 into 7 plus 7. So 22 by 7 means it's 20 into 14 and 7 2s are 14. So it's 22 into 2, that is 44 centimeter. So this is the length of the boundary. And second part of it is to find the area of shaded region. Now how to find out the area of shaded region? First we will take the area of this bigger semicircle minus area of this two small semicircles and plus area of this middle semicircle. So the area of the bigger semicircle is half of pi r square. So it's 1 by 2 pi r square minus, there are the two semicircles, smaller semicircles. So here half of this will be 2 into 1 by 2 pi r square, area of two smaller semicircles. We have to subtract it, and plus this is the half of pi r2 square. Now we can see 1 by 2 pi is common in all three. So we can take common 1 by 2 pi. So in the bracket we will be left with r square minus, here if we take 1 by 2 pi common, so we'll be left with 2r1 square, and here half pi again taken common, so it will be r2 square. Now 1 by 2 into 22 by 7, r means it's 7 square, minus 2 into r1 we had 7 by 4, so it will be 7 square by 4 square, plus r2 we had 7 by 2, so it will be 7 square plus 2 square. So now we'll do the simplification. 1 by 2 into 22 by 7, it's 49, minus 2 into 49 by 16, and here 7 sevens are 49 by 4. Now this can be cancelled, 2 8s are 16, so 1 by 2 into 22 by 7, here 49 minus 49 by 8 plus 49 by 4. Now take the LCM 8, so it's 1 by 2 into 22 by 7, so if LCM is taken, so we will get, it's 392, minus 49 will be here, 8 1 times, plus 4 2 times 98, so 2 into 49 it's 98. So now 1 by 2 into 22 by 7, 392 plus 98 is 490, minus 49 by 8, so 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into here 4, here if we subtract we'll get it as 441 by 8. Now we can cancel here, 7 6 are 42, and 2 7 3s are 41, 63, and here also 2 4s are 8, and 2 11s are, so here we will be getting 1 by 2 into 11 into 63 by 4. So 11 into 63 is 693, and 2 into 4 is 8. So now 693 by 8 is equals to 86.625 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded region. The question number 34b is saying, this is the diagram of question number 34b. It's saying that in the figure 2 given below, a piece of cardboard in the shape of a trapezium ABCD, and AB is parallel to DC, and angle BCD equals to 90 degree, and quarter cycle BFEC is removed. So this is the trapezium where the two sides, this AB is parallel to DC, and this is the quarter cycle BFEC is removed. Given AB equals to BC equals to 3.5 centimeter. So AB's measure is given 3.5 centimeter. BC's measure is also 3.5 centimeter. And DE is equals to 2 centimeter. Calculate the remaining piece of the cardboard. So this is the remaining piece of the cardboard if this quarter cycle is removed. So we have to find out the area of this shaded part. So to find the area of shaded part, we need to subtract the area of this quarter cycle from the area of trapezium. So since this is a quadrant here, so if this length is 3.5 centimeter, so this length will also be 3.5 centimeter. Now area of quadrant. We know it's 1 by 4 pi r square. So it's 1 by 4. Pi is 22 by 7. And radius is 3.5. So it's 3.5 into 3.5. Now remove the decimal. So it's 10 here. This is 10 here. So 7 5s are 35. And 5 2s are 10. Here also 5 7s are 35. 5 2s are 10. So 2 11 times 22. So finally we'll be getting 11 7s are 77. And here 4 2s are 8. So if it is converted to decimal, so it's 8 9s are 72.5 is here 50. 8 6 are 48. Then 2 will remain left 20. So 8 2 is 16. 4. It's 8 5 is 40. So it's 9.625 centimeters square. Now we also have to find out the area of trapezium. So area of trapezium means it's sum of half into sum of parallel sides into height. So it's 1 by 2. Sum of parallel sides is it's 3.5 plus this is 2 plus 3.5. So it's 5.5 into height is here 3.5. So 1 by 2 into it will become 9 and this is 3.5. So if it is removed, so it's 5 2s are 10 and 5 7s are 63. So it's 63 divided by 4. So it's 15.75 centimeters square. Now area of remaining piece is equals to area of trapezium minus area of quadrant. So area of trapezium is 15.75 minus area of quadrant we got 9.625. So if we subtract here, we'll get 10 minus 5 5. It's 4 minus 2 2. 7 minus 6 1. And here 15 minus 6 9. It's 6.125 centimeters square is the answer.